Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we are checking out the seat covers in the 2025 Polaris Ranger XP1000 Crew Cab. It's an awesome looking set of seat covers inside here. Midnight crock for the insert, Java crock for the trim, loaded up with pockets for guns and gear. Also, headrests, Velcro patches in the back. It's a cool set. Let's check it out. So the fabrics we have inside here is the black midnight crock for the insert, Java crock for the trim. Really cool black and brown set on this. Look how these bolsters, this Ranger has these bolstered seats and it just conforms around here. Really nice, just super tight fitting cover. This is fit over the original seats to make sure that it protects the seats underneath. So there's straps and buckles, and we got an install video to show you how to get this on, and a great support team to make sure you get things snugged on nice and tight. We guarantee that it's gonna fit like this, nice and tight for you. You can see this lifts up just how it should, so you have access to your storage underneath. Fits on great. That driver bottom just looking sweet there. Again, you can see here's that MOLLE gun pocket right there to store the guns and gear right there. Guns on the inside, gear, hook your gear to the outside of it. Now here's the passenger side. Just wanna show you how this fits. Move that seat belt for a second. You can see this is a 60 passenger section right here. Bolster comes out right there, but that's all one cover, that 60 backrest. Java crock in the middle section right here. Here's that midnight crock coming around right there, looking sweet, and just finishes on nice and tight. Again, watch our install for the video for the tips and tricks on how to get this on. The 60 bottom flips up now. You can see this flips up right here, so you have access to your storage underneath right here. On this one, it has Velcro and a draw cord around the outside to tighten it up, and just a nice tight fit. Here's that MOLLE gun pocket right here as well. I'm gonna pop the gun out just so you can show you here. There's that pistol right here. Drop that in like that into that MOLLE gun pocket. Great for storage of your pistols and your gear on the outside there. Here's the rear seat. This is the backrest. You can see this is all one solid bench backrest, but it does have these bolsters to it. So you got to get a custom seat cover that fits nice around these bolsters. You can see how nice that looks right there. And then you can see here's the bolsters on this section over here. So all one piece here. Now the bottom is a 60-40 split bench. So here's your 40 over here, separate cover. You can see my hand goes down, separate cover right there. 60 lifts up like this. Okay, there's your 60 section, access to your storage below. There's your Velcro and draw cord around the outside to get things nice and tight on here. Looking great. Pop that back down. There's that 60 bottom. We have put on the MOLLE gun pockets on the rears back here as well. So that's all loaded up. The passengers back here can load their gear up. So here are the custom patches. This is in the headrest cover is in the Java crock. Pops out really nice. We put on a patch like this, a Velcro patch sewn in, so you could put your own custom patch on there. If you want to have your logo, your ranch logo, your brand put into a patch, you can customize that so you can have your own patch on there. Right now, we have the Covers Camo branded patch to show off Covers Camo right now, but think about that. You could have your own logo put into a patch. Thanks again for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you need to get a set of seat covers on your truck or a UTV, jump over to Covers Camo. We are gonna get you an awesome looking set of seat covers going, and happy to work with you on different combinations that you may be looking for. This was a really cool looking set, black and brown combo, so you might choose that one. But if you're looking for something different, happy to help you. Again, Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers.